Hello and welcome to another Hikvision video tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to install and configure the IVMS-4200 for Windows computers. First, open up a web browser and navigate to our website at ushikvision.com. Then, hover over Support. Hover over Downloads, then click on Software. Scroll down and click on IVMS-4200. Here you will again scroll down and under Software Download, click on IVMS-4200 and hit Agree to download the installer. You'll want to make absolutely sure to not download the IVMS-4200 that specifically says it is for Mac computers. That version will only work for Mac computers. Once downloaded, click the file to launch the installer. Proceed with the installation as usual. And once complete, we are ready to set up the IVMS-4200 software. To begin, register with a super user account. This will be a login that is unique to this computer. The IVMS-4200 does not carry over from system to system, so every time you install the software, you will need to create a new super user. To add our device, we'll first go into Device Management. If you have devices on your network already, you can click the Online Devices icon, and the IVMS-4200 should detect them automatically at the bottom of this screen. Just find your device, click Add. Enter your user credentials and click Add. Your recorder should now be added to your software. If your cameras have already been added to the Hik-Connect service, you can also sync your IVMS-4200 client to your Hik-Connect account to obtain your cameras that way. Just click on the cloud icon at the top right of the screen and log in using your Hik-Connect credentials. Once logged in, the devices that are on your Hik-Connect account will now be available through the IVMS. Whichever way you choose to add your cameras, we can then test them out by heading back to the control panel. Then click on Main View and click on your cameras to pull up its live view. Now that you have remote viewing capabilities, let's look at some of the other features the IVMS-4200 can offer. If you go back into Device Management, you'll notice the option for Remote Configuration. This will essentially function the same way as the web interface and allow for small configuration changes through your recorder. Back to the control panel, we can go into Account Management to set up various user accounts for the IVMS. This is useful in cases where you only want to give certain permissions, such as Live View, to certain people without them having access to configuring the device. Simply hit Add User, set the user type, create their name, their password, and select the permissions they can have and hit Save. Finally, we'll look at how to export playback footage onto your computer. From the control panel, enter Remote Playback, select your camera, then hit the download icon. Here you can hit the calendar icon and select the date and time you want to export, and hit the download button. Once the download is complete, you'll notice that you cannot play the footage with traditional media players. This is because Hikvision security footage uses a video codec that is not commonly found in most computers and must be played with our VS Player. If you do not have the VS Player, just go to our website at us.hikvision.com. Then hover over Support, click on Tools, click View all the tools, then click the VS Player that's appropriate for your system, then click Download. Once the download is complete, just double-click and run the installer. When the VS Player launches, you can then open your video files and watch them normally. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to visit our website and look through our frequently asked questions section. If you have any other topics you'd like discussed in video form, please don't hesitate to reach out to us and let us know. Your feedback is important to us.